What's going on? Steve here, Philosopher Cards. Thanks for watching. Today we're doing the great Baldur's Gate. As you guys, may know, I love Baldur's Gate, and Baldur's Gate has never looked so great. So we're going after the dragons. Obviously the copper dragon, silver dragon. The all the weird spelling name dragons. Pretty much any dragon that we can get will be a great win. So let's go ahead and get into it. Love the set. I know it didn't do well last year, and folks got really upset by it, but it's a really, I think it's a great set. Ton of value in it. Super fun to crack. Super fun to open. Okay, not the dragon we want, folks, but starting off with a dragon. I like to see it. All right. Okay. Apostate. Sage. Acolyte. I don't remember how these sets go, so I'm kind of all over the place pulling them. All right. Astral Dragon. All right, we got our first dragon. We're going to have our dragon line up here. I don't think Astral Dragon's like a ton of money, but super fun to pull all these dragons. Storm King's Thunder. Look at that art. Some great, great art right there. Might put that in the pile of just art that I like. The Bestower. Okay. No, you're going in the etched pile. You're in the wrong pile. Legion's Loyalty. All right. Creatures you control have myriad. Bramble. Full art. Foil. This is different than I'm used to. I don't really remember the set too much. I haven't opened a collector's booster in a long time, so I'm struggling with my piles. Seems like there's a lot of good cards in this set, though. Okay, Thief, Harper, Heapgate. All right, Foil, Slaughter, Swamp. Okay, Showcase, Archdruid, Veteran Soldier, Caller of the Small. Okay, Kindred Discovery for the foil in here. Look at that art on that one, too. All those bird creatures. Where am I going? Where am I going? Harper Recruit. Okay, Flutist. Giant Bard. Nine Fingers Keen. The nine-fingered man. There, oh, double tap, nine finger. This is the woman, nine-fingered woman. Showcased version. Okay. Champion. And Boar. Boar is no fun. Go for more dragons here. Started off with a dragon. You're confronted. Swashbucklers, Bane. Goggles of Night. All right. Oh, wrong pile again. Okay. Nightmare Speaker. Wilson. Refined Grizzly. Look at that grizzly bear named Wilson. The Wise Mentor. The Wise Mentor. Not a good card, though. Okay, Solemn Doom Guide. Thirst. Dyna-Air Adept. There we go. Okay, there's our Dragon Spirit. Sentinel Worm. Okay, this isn't crazy tons of money, but more dragons. So we're going to just start lining up the dragons. Caves Chaos. Squirrel Token. I'm saving that. This is also the set where I think the land cards are pretty hard to pull in, actually. The land cycle cards. Not that the land cycle was that amazing or anything, but Amethyst Dragon. We're only going rare dragons or above. Okay. Scion, Candlekeep Sage. Undermountain Adventurer, Giant Warrior. Looks like an Overmountain Adventurer to me. That's what's going on here. That's what's going on. Okay, green slime. Got some green slime all over the place. Altar of Baal. Baal. We got the altar. We got his altar, and we got him. Baal himself. Okay. Wand of Wonder. It's a nice art on that card. I know the card, but I actually don't remember this like extended art. Like, it just looks great. So, no big dragons yet. These packs are really hard to open. Maybe that's why the set did so bad. People tried to open these and they're like, never mind. I think, is this a squirrel? Squirrel token? Soldier. Poison. Edict. Prism. Will-o-wisp. Stone Skin. Forest Sky Diamond. Enters the battlefield tapped. Tap out an island. Dragonheart. Again, needs to be rare or above. Corlessa. Thirst again. Okay, and this is one of the big ones. This is the funny named one. That's what I was saying. Fierkrog, Cunning Instigator. So this is like the second top pull. Top pull being the Copper Dragon, obviously, Ancient Copper. This one, you know, I think in foil is like really crazy, but this is a great pull. So this is a really good pull for this pack here. Caves. Noble Heritage. Oh, speak of the devil. Speak of the devil himself. The Showcase Ancient Copper Dragon. Top pull. So far, we're off to a great start here. This is great. Look at all these dragons, lining them all up. All the dragon friends. Wizards of Thay. Myriad again. I don't really know that I know what Myriad does. You guys are going to laugh. You can comment on below if you know what Myriad does. I'm not going to look it up. Black Dragon Gate. We're just got the gate to let all the dragons in. Young Red Dragon. Topaz Dragon. So many dragons. Lulu. Legendary Creature. Elephant Angel. How often do you see an Elephant Angel? Only in Baldur's Gate. Only in Baldur's Gate. Guild Artisan. Sword Sailor Coast. Sword Coast Sailor. Coasting the Sailor, raised by giants. We pulled this in our Goodwill pack. From the catacombs. There he is. He's coming out of those catacombs. The Wand of Wonder, non-foil. Friend of the Forest. Duke. Ravenguard. And Shadowheart. Okay. All right, halfway through. Wait, bauble. Love the bauble. Love the art of the Baldur's Gate bauble. Sapphire Dragon. Did you see that? I'm not going back for it because it's just a common. Endless Water. All right. Master Chef. Deathbringer. Acrobatics. There we go. Doing some acrobatics, and we're going to stick together doing some acrobatics, and then we're going to go and meet our harvester friend, the Council of Four. Oh, all right, there it is again. There it is again. Okay, Storm King's Thunder and the foil. All right, let's just look at this Copper Dragon for another second here. Look at that thing, huh? That's the borderless. Actually, it might be the extended art. It's hard to tell sometimes. Great looking card. What a great thumbnail already, and we have like so many packs to go. What a great picture right there, huh? So that's why we do this. Going after the big guys. We don't want any more copper dragons. Like, stop with the copper dragons. No more, no more. Give us a silver dragon. Silver's not the top card. The top card, remember, in this set is the copper dragon, but we've had so many of them, we're doing okay. Okay. Dungeon. Street. Baldur's Gate. The card itself. Seasoned. Gales. Champion. The Bestower. And the Flutist for the foil. When I said I didn't want any more copper dragons, I didn't mean like no dragons. Still want the dragons. Give me those dragons. Dispute. That's actually, I think, a couple dollar card. Bard, Hunter, Cleric, Diamond, Gloomstalker, Tavern Brawler. That red etched looks pretty good there. Waterdeep Prodigy. Journey to the Lost City. Look at the art on that thing. Yeah, that's a nice looking art there. Oh yeah, Lena Danner did that one. Lane Danner. Basilisk Collar. Okay. Shattered one. Baba Lysaga. The Night Witch. Micro, Lord of Bones. Miracle, Micro. Silver, Copper, Miracle, Michael. Really give us one of those foil ones. Orb, Diamond, Deal, Skullwinder, Mountain, Emporium, Brawler, non-etched, Colt, Gale, Showdown, Monster Manual. Haven't seen those yet. All right. Zevlor, the Boss, and Thirst. I think this is like the millionth Thirst that we've pulled. 2 more packs left. How many more dragons are we going to get? Okay. Shiny, Seer, Northic, Island, Duodrone, Visitor, Bashir, Horn of the Valhalla, Death Kiss, ugh, Call the Void, Raised by Giants Etched, Friend of the Forest Showcase. Not a huge fan of these showcase ones, to be honest. Altar of Baal, the foil. I don't really know what Altar's doing price-wise. It could be, these could be great cards, and you guys could be like, he's passing up so many good cards. I'm just after the dragons today. We got last pack. Diamond, Explorer, Sweep, Contingency, Plain, Lightning Bolt, Showcase foil. Busybody. Look at that busybody. Scion. 9 fingers again. Natalie, I believe she was one of the commanders in one of the commander decks, like the Precon commanders. Promenade. And see, this is the only land we've pulled this entire box. I did like, oh yeah, this is the one unless you have 2 or more opponents. I don't know. Like I said, I don't play with like tons of more opponents, but you know, I'm sure it's a really nice card too from the art. Who did the? Oh, Elena Danner again. Okay, Baba. Okay, Lord of Darkness, Lord of Garbage, Raven Garbage, and that's it, folks. So we got our 5 dragons here, bringing home the dollars. You know, Super nice to see. 2 coppers. I mean, can't complain about that. And then an astral dragon. I mean, that's some great art on that too. Worm. Then we got our Vierkrog, the cunning guy. And we have ancient copper and ancient copper. So yeah, let me know. Should I do another one of these boxes? Do you think I made some money here? You think there's a lot of value in these? What do you guys think? Let me know. Thanks again for watching. Like, subscribe, help me out. If you stayed this long through the video, you must really like Baldur's Gate. So again, thank you. Have a good one. See you later.